The best EV chargers for home use, including features, benefits, and why they stand out in the market. Point 1. AUTEL MaxiCharger EV Charger. The AUTEL MaxiCharger EV Charger is a top-tier option for homeowners looking for a reliable and high-performance charging solution. With its sleek design and advanced features, it offers both convenience and efficiency. The charger is compatible with all electric vehicles on the market, making it a versatile choice for EV owners. Any of the standout features of the AUTEL MaxiCharger is its Bluetooth connectivity, which allows users to monitor and control the charging process from their smartphone or tablet. This feature provides added convenience, allowing users to schedule charging times, track energy usage, and receive notifications remotely. Furthermore, the AUTEL MaxiCharger is designed for easy installation, with both plug-in and hardwired options available. Its compact size makes it suitable for various installation locations, whether it's mounted on a wall or placed on a charging pedestal. Safety is a top priority with the AUTEL MaxiCharger, as it comes equipped with multiple safety features, including overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit protection. These features ensure safe and reliable charging for both the vehicle and the charging station. Point 2. JuiceBox Pro 40 Smart EV Charger. The JuiceBox Pro 40 Smart EV Charger is another excellent choice for homeowners seeking a high-quality charging solution. This charger offers fast charging speeds, with up to 40 amps of power delivery, allowing EV owners to charge their vehicles quickly and efficiently. Any of the key features of the JuiceBox Pro 40 is its smart functionality, which enables users to control and monitor the charging process remotely. Through the JuiceBox app, users can schedule charging sessions, track energy usage, and receive real-time notifications on their smartphone or tablet. The JuiceBox Pro 40 is also compatible with smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for seamless integration into existing smart home setups. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience, as users can control the charger using voice commands. In terms of safety, the JuiceBox Pro 40 is equipped with various protective features, including